Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what's filling iCloud because you can't fix what you haven't measured. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, look at used verses available. Once done, tap Manage Storage and scan backups, photos, iCloud Drive, and Mail. Make a quick decision: delete old device backups, remove heavy app data, or upgrade to a 50 GB or 200 GB plan. This first set of actions gives you control and avoids accidental data loss later. Now you get hands-on with deletion and optimization. From Manage Storage, delete any obsolete device backup, confirm the device name before removing. Then, in Photos, enable Optimize iPhone storage to keep full resolution in iCloud only. Alternatively, delete large videos or duplicates. Next, open Mail and purge large attachments, and visit iCloud Drive to remove or offload big files. Make sure to empty the recently deleted folders. Otherwise, storage won't free up. These steps reduce usage without losing current device data. Finish by refreshing the system so iCloud recognizes the freed space. Sign out of iCloud and sign back in, then restart your device. This forces an update to the storage totals. After reboot, return to Settings, iCloud Manage Storage to confirm the new available space. If the notification persists or storage looks wrong, try signing into iCloud. To verify files, then contact Apple support for stuck quotas or phantom data. One tip: always keep a recent backup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.